Hi boss, I'm Frank from Dagong ESS. Someone are asking whether they can come and visit our factory. And here is the answer, yes. With our self-owned manufacturing facility, we would happy to arrange the visit to our company and factory. When you arrive, we will transfer you to and from airport and train station. We will provide the local Chinese cuisine and no cost to you. Please let us know your preferred date and time, and we will coordinate the detail. Okay, let's go and show you the inside. 你好。And here is the inside of our factory. You can see the environment. It is awesome. And we also pursue the high quality products with the best benefit for our environment. Let's move on. Here is our workshop, and we produce all our products inside. You want to know the detail? Let's see the inside. Thank you guys spending time with me. Right now, we are on the process on the OEM order. We are producing the battery module and battery packs for someone else. And if you have the orders, don't hesitate to contact us and we will provide the best products for you. Thank you.